Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unplugging power and turning off the water. Safety first. Next, remove the lid or console to access the cabinet and look for shipping bolts or transit clips. These cause severe imbalance if left in. Check the drum for obvious obstructions like coins or clothing stuck between tub and basket. Once done, place a level across the rim and adjust the adjustable feet until the machine sits flat. This prevents the drum from shifting during spin and is the first actionable step to fix balance. You now diagnose internal suspension and structural issues. This explains why the washer wobbles. Remove the front or back panel and test each shock absorber and spring for worn rubber, leaks, or separation, because failed suspension lets the tub swing wildly. Examine the spider arm and bearings for corrosion or play. A bent spider or bad bearings create eccentric rotation. Also inspect the drive coupling and motor mounts. Once identified, replace the defective component. If unsure, verify by running a small, balance test load to observe changes. You finish by securing everything and testing under real conditions. Tighten cabinet bolts, double-check the leveling feet, and install anti-vibration pads under each foot to dampen residual movement because hard floors amplify imbalance. Run a full spin cycle with a balanced load and listen closely for knocks or grinding. These symptoms point to remaining mechanical faults. If vibration persists after leveling and replacing worn parts, revert to replacing the identified component, be it shocks, bearings, or spider, or seek a technician. A quick tip: isolate the problem by repeating tests with known balance loads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.